I am finally deleting Windows. For the next 30 days, Linux will be my main operating system for this laptop. No virtual machine, no trying it for a day, an actual switch. And honestly, I don't know if I will stay on Linux after this. But for the next 1 month, I want to see if Linux can realistically fit into my real workflow. So in this video, we are picking a Linux distro, setting up everything, installing all the apps I actually use, and starting the 30 days challenge, which you can join as well. Now, to be clear, I'm not a complete beginner. I've used Manjaro before, but I've never actually committed to using Linux as my actual daily system for a long period. I'm just tired of Windows with bloatwares and more AI features I never asked for. Meanwhile, Linux has been getting better and better, especially for the kind of task I use my laptop for. Now, my laptop technically isn't my main workstation. I use my headless M2 Pro as my main workstation for editing videos and building software. And this laptop is kind of like my mobile lab I take everywhere. I mainly use it for blogging, browser work, planning videos, watching content, some software development work, and light programming. So realistically, Linux should be able to handle all these things perfectly. The real challenge is, can Linux fit perfectly into my lifestyle and workflow? Now, here comes the important part, picking a distro. I want something stable, modern, developer-friendly, and good for daily use. After testing a few options, I decided to go with Fedora Workstation with GNOME desktop environment. I like the clean interface, the workflow feels modern, and overall it seems like a distro I can actually daily drive. Now, could I have picked Linux Mint? Absolutely. Could I have picked Arch Linux? Yes, but I also want peace in my life. So Fedora it is. You can check out the video I made on top 3 best Linux distributions for daily use if you want to embark on the challenge as well. Alright, now this is the point of no return. So we are creating the bootable USB, booting into Linux and installing it. Now comes the retest, installing everything I actually use. This is where Linux usually wins people over or frustrates them. You can use the terminal to install your apps easily, or you can use the software tool to search for the software and install it manually. So in the next 30 days, I'm going to document my entire experience switching from Windows to Fedora. From app compatibility to workflow issues, battery life, performance, and everything else basically. Now, am I saying everyone should switch to Linux? Not necessarily, but I do think people should at least try it. You don't have to wipe Windows like me. You can boot Windows and any Linux distro and join the challenge to see if this can match your lifestyle as well. By the end of this challenge, we'll know if I'm staying on Linux or crawling back to Windows. So yes, day one starts now. Let's see how it goes.